One of the most inspirational stories making headlines today is about a man named Chris Nikic. Chris, a 21-year-old from Maitland, Florida, has Down syndrome and recently completed the Ironman triathlon, making history as the first person with Down syndrome to achieve this remarkable feat. An Ironman triathlon is a grueling race that includes a 2.4-mile swim, a 112-mile bike ride, and a 26.2-mile marathon run, all to be completed within 17 hours. Chris trained for months, overcoming numerous physical and mental challenges. His journey was filled with setbacks, including falls from his bike, but he persevered with an unbreakable spirit and determination. Chris's motto, 1% better every day, reflects his commitment to gradual, consistent improvement. He applied this philosophy to his training, focusing on making small daily improvements. This approach not only helped him prepare physically, but also kept him motivated through the tough times. On the day of the Ironman, Chris faced additional obstacles, including severe muscle cramps and a minor bike accident. However, his determination and the support of his family, friends, and coach carried him through. When he crossed the finish line, he was greeted with cheers and applause, a testament to his incredible achievement. Chris's story is a powerful reminder that with perseverance, dedication, and a positive mindset, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. His achievement has inspired countless people around the world, showing that limitations are often just a matter of perspective and that true strength comes from within. Chris Nikic's journey is more than just a story of athletic triumph. It's a celebration of human resilience and the power of belief in oneself. His accomplishment has paved the way for others with disabilities, proving that nothing is impossible when you set your mind to it.